A 10-year-old girl with cerebral palsy who had gallbladder surgery at Driscoll Childrens Hospital is under threat of deportation after crossing a Customs and Border Protection checkpoint to get to Corpus Christi for the surgery. Corpus Christi, Texas. A 10-year-old girl who has lived in the U.S. since she was an infant could be bound for a detention center now that as she recovered from emergency surgery in South Texas. Rosamaria Hernandez, who has cerebral palsy, underwent gallbladder surgery this week at Driscoll Childrens Hospital in Corpus Christi. Her mother, Felipa Delacruz, said her daughter was medically released about 8 a.m. Wednesday, but because of her lack of legal immigration status is likely bound for an immigration detention center somewhere else in Texas. Attorney Leticia Gonzalez told the Caller Times she is working with the hospital and federal immigration agency to allow the girl to instead be released to the family's custody. She is not the typical 10-year-old, Gonzalez said. We are hopeful Border Patrol sees the bigger picture here. More. Child faces deportation after crossing checkpoint for gallbladder surgery. Rosamaria came under threat of deportation after crossing a Customs and Border Protection checkpoint to get to Corpus Christi for the surgery. Delacruz, who also lacks legal immigration status, said federal agents waited outside her daughter's hospital room as she recovered. Delacruz is in Laredo. Delacruz's niece Aurora Cantu, who is a U.S. citizen, accompanied Rosamaria past the checkpoint. Delacruz said they were escorted by federal agents to Corpus Christi from there. Customs and Border Protection spokesman Rod Keyes said in a statement Wednesday morning that Rosamaria and Cantu approached a Border Patrol checkpoint on Highway 59, east of Laredo. Due to the juvenile's medical condition, Border Patrol agents escorted her and her cousin to a Corpus Christi hospital where she could receive appropriate medical care, Keyes said. Per the immigration laws of the United States, once medically cleared she will be processed accordingly. The Mexican consulate has been advised of the situation by Laredo Sector Border Patrol. Follow Beatriz Alvarado on Twitter @CallerBT.